it's Greg Luther here, and listen, I'm so excited about the results we had from today's coaching call. All of you that were on there, if you're Greg Luther Inner Circle members, we talked about this perfect storm that exists for real estate right now. And you know, the biggest problem we always hear from our clients, and I know you've been hearing this for years, is I'm just too busy right now. The procrastination that gets in the way, the I'm too busy or I can't meet you right now, that type of thing. However, now with everything that's going on in this crazy world, people have plenty of time. What they're doing is taking naps, right? So they're stuck at home, they're working from home, but they're playing on their computers and playing on their phones all day. So the perfect storm for us as real estate agents is having everybody where they have nothing else to do. Because now we're getting better cost on our leads, we're generating more leads than we've ever had before, and the online side of what we're doing is working well as the offline side of marketing. So whether it be internet or say direct mail, text messaging, that type of thing. So all of them are working well because you know what those homeowners and home buyers are not doing? Going out to dinner, taking kids to the ball game, doing all of those things that are usually more important to them or more pressing to them than buying or selling a house. So what we're finding now is a lot of these people, they've got some extra time. They're shopping on Zillow. You can look at the actual stats. Zillow.com, Realtor.com, they have more activity right now than they've ever had before. If you take 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, the times that most people are working or busy or hustling the kids around, playing cab driver, all of that stuff, people are now focused on that. So we are generating a lot of buyers and sellers. The call that we had today, the coaching call that we had for Inner Circle members, showed the number one ad that we're using. We're generating leads for $1 to $2 a piece. You got $10? You can get yourself 6 to 10 leads utilizing that approach. We also talked a lot about a lot of the free marketing that can be used. As an example, Facebook Marketplace. What ads should you be using in that case? So we covered a lot of that today, and I found it to be very revealing for a lot of our members on, holy crap, I thought I was supposed to be afraid. I thought I was supposed to be sitting in the house because Armageddon's coming and the zombie apocalypse is coming and I shouldn't be working right now. Meanwhile, we gave examples of agents that just listed one for $1.5 million, one for 2.4, I think it was, one for a little over $3 million. They're out there working. So you've got a choice to make. And I showed some stats, by the way, on the real whole thing about coronavirus and all of the other issues that exist right now. Way overhyped, by the way. Don't believe the media. Check on some doctors. See what the doctors have to say. But regardless, you are first and foremost a family leader, so you got to protect your family. And secondly, you're a business owner, and it's your job to take advantage of whatever you can do in making adjustments to adjust with this new market. Stock market has changed. Real estate market has changed. Interest rates have changed. It's your job to make those changes yourself. I should have had a little light going. It's starting to get dark outside here. But it's your job to make those changes you need to make. This week, this calendar week, has been incredibly profitable for an awful lot of our members because they're taking action of this closed caption audience that really has nothing else to do. I saw an article today online that said Netflix isn't even working properly because millions and millions of people are all sitting at home trying to watch Netflix at the same time. It won't even stream. It just keeps pausing. So they don't have anything to do. They're not going to tell you they're too busy. They are filling out the forms. We are getting leads right now. And like I say, guys, I've been coaching realtors 21 years. I have never seen such low cost on lead generation and getting such a high volume of leads as well. So this is something you should be taking advantage of. I think you'll find that I showed it as an example today. What did we look up? Tampa, Florida, I think it was. We looked up. There are new FSBOs listing every 3 or 4 hours in one little city. Every 3 or 4 hours, there's a new FSBO listing. Now think about this. All this crap you're seeing going on in the country right now, they're thinking about selling their home. They're physically taking photos and loading it online and looking up how many square feet they have. And today, on what is today, March 19th, they're listing their house for sale by owner. Well, they wouldn't want anybody coming in and touching stuff, right? you better get with the program because you're a business owner first. So this is a big, big opportunity for you. I want you to get involved with this. For those of you that are Inner Circle members, you have access to the coaching call. It's already on the member site. All of the resources. I showed you the FSBO approach, the expired approach, the divorce attorneys we're doing, the luxury real estate, the new construction, what we're doing with first-time buyers, dream home finders. We covered all of that on the coaching call today, and all of those resources are inside the members' website. So get in there, put this stuff in place. I give you the #1 ad that you can run on Facebook. You heard from agents that are generating tons of leads with that. It's time for you to get serious, because what's going to happen is you're going to miss this perfect storm. It's up to you to get the attention of all of these people in your local marketplace that are looking to make a move. So hopefully that was helpful for you today. If you did miss it, you should be an Inner Circle member. If you're not, by the way, you can get some of this stuff. You can get some awesome training at www.getfastclosings.com. You'll see it in the description here. Watch that webinar. It's about a 40-minute training. That'll also show you about Greg Luther Inner Circle. But listen, don't be sitting around right now. I can't tell you how many people are going to get to the end of this week or next week, and they've been sitting in their house all day, still have a dirty-ass house and have a dirty business that they haven't cleaned up, talking about, I'm too busy. You weren't too busy for the last week. Don't waste your time. Don't be taking a nap. Don't be watching a movie. This is the perfect storm. We have a captive audience. It's like everybody is stuck in a stadium, and you're in the middle, and they're all looking at you. What are you going to do? Just sit there? They got nothing else to do but to play on their phone. Let's get some marketing in front of them. Let's get some good offers. Let's be helpful for all of these families that are out there searching, that are out there listing their property. So I'm here to help you in any way that I can. You'll see a lot of our agents commenting on here. They loved the call today. It was phenomenal on growing your business and on having your mind right with all this crazy crap that's going on out there. You got to be safe. You got to do the right thing, but you need to be profitable as well. Don't let this slip. Very important that you get that part of it right. So hopefully you're out there working. We've got tons of agents that are doing lots of business out there. They're listing homes, showing homes. I see Christina just commented she's got 2 showings tonight. Perfect example. So you're going to make money, or you're going to believe this stupid media crap that's going on in the middle of election year and all that crap. There's reasons behind this. I talked about it on that call today. So if this is helpful for you, if you need this type of motivation, inspiration, specific approaches that you can use, like this video, make sure you're following our page and turn on notifications so you know about it. By the way, just yesterday, if you're watching this live, just yesterday, I believe we topped 20,000 followers on this here new Facebook page, starting from 0. Already over 20,000. So congrats to all of you that are involved. Excited to be working with everybody. Hopefully you were on that call today. There's so much information to get you closing some business now. Don't miss this perfect storm. I talked about today, this is like the salmon run, right? There's millions of salmon swimming right by you right now. Just cast a few lines out there. It doesn't even matter what bait you've got, really. You're going to snag a few of them. There's so many. So get your offer out there. Let me know how I can help you. And again, check it out. Getfastclosings.com. I think you'll find it to be incredibly valuable. Go out there and sell some houses. Be careful. Wash your hands. But fill out some deposit slips too. Let's make some money. We'll talk to you soon. I'm Greg Luther, and bye-bye for now.